Crestech is one of the pioneers in independent QA and testing space. Our broad set of test validation, optimization and transformation solutions help customer enhance their satisfaction, lower the business risk and leverage the latest technology that best addresses their business.
Last few years have seen a significant shift in technology paradigm, with technologies like Web 2.0, SOA, SaaS and mobility all converging and leading ways in most of the enterprise transformation. Testing has assumed a never-before kind of focus.
The company was set up with a vision to provide comprehensive testing at the least possible cost to its clients. And we always knew this cannot happen without having innovative testing solutions.
It is a widely accepted fact that quality of IT system and process play a big role in success or failure of enterprise business outcome. Hence, organizations always look forward for ways to optimize and transform their testing and QA operations to keep pace with fast evolving business scenarios.
Today is my first day with Crestech, and the warmth with which I have been welcomed makes me feel as if I have been working here since ages.
Crestech is the name of proud heritage and passion of its wonderful employees, who have worked hard in upholding its brand image as a leading software testing organization. This is Ashwani, and I feel proud to be a part of this organization for last 5 years.
Got a lot of opportunities to learn and showcase my abilities in various roles and technologies. The one thing I like most about the Crestech is its transparency towards all the processes and management decisions.
We at Crestech measure ourselves in terms of client success, which means timely delivery and business agility. We don't work for Crestech, we are a part of it. My name is Shipra and I'm a proud Crestechie.
Always knew this cannot happen without having innovative testing solutions. That's the reason we invested in our R&D department since the inception of the company from day one. As a result, currently we have 5 provisional patents pending in the name of Crestech. We have been innovating across the aspects of test innovation in test automation. We have a flagship product, OpKey, which has actually helped our clients save their cost by up to 40%.
Our array of solutions pretty much cover length and breadth of the testing spectrum, right from managed product quality to solutions like performance management to application security management to end user experience management. We make sure that we test softwares from end user perspective.
Large portion of our business comes from our existing customers. This clearly reflects the fact that our existing customers have got significant benefits working with us.
Specifically, Crestech has helped us significantly in the areas of functional, performance and security testing. And Crestech, with their agile approach and with their good expertise in the performance engineering, has definitely helped us in improving the performance of the products. We have taken most of their suggestions and reported issues on related performance, and this has really helped us to improve the performance of Mobility and Pretaps products.
Yeah, I would recommend Crestech as a partner because I see they bring integrity and they're easy to work with, and they focus on only one thing, testing, right? And so it's very easy to have them fit inside your needs. From a point of view of a customer who's already used Crestech, I'm a happy customer.